Step into the 2014 Nissan Versa. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Nissan paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a tachometer, a trip computer, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 2 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.